Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Blessed my people. I'm here again, manners and respect to each and everyone. Alright, my people. I'm going to present a certain amount of videos to you that are being talked about on social media. Alright? First up, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a situation that I consider to be sad and a type of angry situation. Alright, so first up, I'm going to present a video to you that I recorded in Jamaica. The video that I'm about to present to you is going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between at least one person and law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica. So I got the understanding from the video that there was at least one person who did not want law enforcers to take away some things or some goods. Yes, I got the understanding that there was at least one person who did not want law enforcers to take away some things or some goods that was being carried on a handcart. And that person is the same person who was involved in a confrontation with those law enforcers. The video also shows the person holding a knife during subscribers. You can also hear persons talking loud in the video. The video shows that at least one person pushed someone versus subscribers. The video basically shows a very aggressive situation. I want to look at this video and tell me what I think about the situation. And you can also tell me who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong when it comes down to this situation that you can see and hear in the video. Some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. Alright, my people, so pardon the audio, watch it. Look, watch it. You see the audio for a while ago? Look what I'm going now.
Just step on my goods and while I go in the pool. Just step on my goods and while I go, man. Uno my youth. Uno just step on my goods and while I go, dog. Uno just step on my goods and while I go. Don't touch my phone. Now go away from my phone. Now go away from my phone. Now go away from my phone. That's bad to them. Now go away from my phone.
Yo, come on, I shouldn't know they can't take it on. You say, yo, I can't want to Yo!
people.
Push where you can. Intimidate people. And a contact. Push where you can. Push where you can.
That's a distance. That's a hold on. You finish swallowing.
If I start my kitchen.
People, you know, sir, enough time I say to myself, and I wonder when them type of situation I go, how should I put it? When them type of situation I go stop. You know what I mean? When maybe I wonder when life will reach a point where these type of situations will not happen. You see me? Because the amount of videos when I see post on social media or I see for myself will show some situations that are somewhat similar. But not exactly the same, but similar. But anyways, my people. Alright, so just in case if you didn't see, I noticed that the cat was at a certain distance. You understand me? So I look at a part of the video and I notice this, you know, because it look like a part of the camera they cover at some point. But when we look, we see certain little things happen, you know, and then a part of the video shows what seems to be a cat at a certain distance. So I just show you that part there. You understand? Make you have the understanding there. Overall, my people, notice that the video shows some things on what some people call a handcart. Obviously, those things belong to at least one person. And he's the kind of person, you know. Me not like to see people go through certain struggles in their life. And them type of things there are valuable things. See? And at the same time, I respect the rules and the laws of my country. So you see, me no want to see nobody lose, and at the same time, me respect law and order. So it just have me confused when we see situations like this sometimes. You see it, I tell other people, I don't know. Me I wonder what can be done to avoid them type of situations. You see me I say, I mean, what steps can the government take to make them type of situations don't happen and stop and no more them type of situations. Let me know what you think about a situation like that, you know. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post that video. On to another topic. I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show what I would call a damaged metal pole. Yes, I'm going to call that a damaged metal pole. You understand me? Now, I don't know what exactly was on that damaged metal pole. In the video, you can hear someone talking about that thing that had been damaged for your subscribers. Yeah, in the video, you can hear someone talking about the thing that had been damaged. And let me make it very clear, I don't have any confirmed information as to where this video will be recorded. But listen to some words that a person say in this video. You see me? Listen carefully and tell me what you think about this type of situation. Observe.
Guys, I had to do a up close and personal. Watch this. Fellas literally cutting those lights, the poles for those lights, just to take, watch it for yourself.
Oh, you see that?
Cutting them things. Look at how much damage that is on that thing there. Cannot be used again. Look another one up there. And if I go on the road, there's another one lower down again. So 3 lights stolen in the immediate area. 3 of them stolen in the immediate area. How are we, Dominicans?
Well, my people, the pole that had been damaged, you know, and metal, you know. However, I notice that what seems to be a thickish type of wire had been cut. You know what I said? There's a point out that, you know, the pole are metal, you know. I'm going to say the wire, where you see inside a part of the same pole cut to, you know. That really actually set away. See me I say? Now, my people, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a situation that somewhat amazes me, viewers and subscribers. And it not only amazes me, but it makes me feel certain ways and think certain ways based on what I see. Now, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened at the scene of where 2 motor vehicles collided with each other. So I got the understanding from the video that one motor vehicle that was being operated by someone collided with another motor vehicle. And you might be surprised to see the damage that happened to one of the motor vehicles that was involved in the whole situation. Now, some people might call one of those motor vehicles a type of bus or just a big motor vehicle. Some people might also call the other motor vehicle a truck. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video be recorded. I don't have any confirmed information to determine about any injury or anything like that. I don't have any confirmed information to determine if any other motor vehicle might have been involved in the whole situation. But while you look and listen to this video and tell me what to think about a situation like this, viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me, my people.
Boy, I thought that was a little accident.
Remember me tell you, I have to pay for this. But knock off the wall.
My God, that was watching you,
you know. Inside lane and come this way. Me in the outside lane and come this way. He gonna come over and run it past me. With that idiot, you call the police them for me. Call traffic for me. Call traffic for me.
Ass boy.
Watch it.
Come with this idiot, take me out of work, your boy. A taxi me a drive. A load of money you gonna pay for this. Yeah. But I think they stop when it happen to you. They see everything when it happen to you. Why it happen the vehicle, boy? How long with you, boy? You do everything on it. Why you in this big truck? You're inside there, me outside. And you come over here, me come this way, you go push up yourself on me. I don't come back like me wrong. But don't play with me, no boy. You call the police them for me.
So you hear some words that have been said in the video. You hear some words of at least one person in the video. Me next trip, you know what going on there, so? Eh? A part of the motor vehicle tear off, you know. Well, I shouldn't say a part, at least one part of the motor vehicle tear off and they over a certain part. Well, a type of truck there. You know see that? Next string, my people. No, sir. You know, so sometimes I wonder if these motor vehicles are made strong enough. Now I really wonder them things, man, because some things, sometimes we see some things that happen, I wonder if they make with the strength and with the safety of people in mind. You know what I mean? It really actually just look away. Look how the motor vehicle. Look how the motor vehicle look. Piece side tear off, you know. Or at least one part I tear off, you know. what do you think about that situation? If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, in the next video I'm going to present to you, and in my point of view, you can hear a person saying some words in a way that I would consider to be honest. Basically, some words that a person saying in the video is that the person make it very clear that he can't read. Look and listen to this video, tell me what you think. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
I sound not your subject. I don't show me I do this, you know. You can't read. You're blind.
Why you can't read and they are them?
Don't stop what me I do what me I do. I want 9 subject, I want 5 somebody back. You know, those man.
I have to go out with your subject.
Yeah, man, the manager, man. The manager feet, man. The manager feet, man.
Then say honesty is the best policy. If those words that the person said in the video are true, then I consider that person to be an honest person. You blind? Alright, it's set away, you see me? Yeah, big up to that person there if those words are true. You see me? I say, oh, one more thing, people. You know, so we see a video that shows what some Jamaicans call a pada ackee. That is not the normal way how a pada ackee would appear upon an ackee tree. Yeah, I'm a Jamaican, so me can tell you, this no look like the normal way how a pada ackee would appear upon an ackee tree. It look on the amount of that there pad there. You see me I say, I mean that look it coming like some, I don't know if I tell you, I don't know what exactly happened. But that is just not, that is not a normal pad of ackee as some Jamaicans call it. Or that is not the normal way how a ackee tree would appear ackee. You see? Can you imagine having an ackee tree would bear ackees in that way? Just imagine with all of them bearing that way there. Eh? Some people mongers talk about it still now. You must talk about it. And please, may I say this to some people, because I know some people still. When some people see certain things and they start think all kind of ways, certain ways, you know what I mean? Me don't want to hear nothing about no hobby, no witchcraft, no voodoo, or no Halloween sitting. You see me I said, sometimes things just naturally happen by nature. You understand? So, for some people might start to think certain ways and think about, oh, that no, but with that, man. You see me I say, and everything called for them kind of thinking there. You see? Yeah, because in my point of view, me see ackee tree bear certain types of ackees, but me never see one that the way there before. Yeah, man, me see ackee tree bear certain types of ackees. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. I think I've seen one some time ago where it look a certain type of way. It just the way the ackee tree bear the ackee there, it just look a certain type of way. You know? Yeah, man. I see one like that some time ago. You see, so I never think about this voodoo or witchcraft thing, man. So by the time I just saw it. You see? Yeah, man. But anyways, let me know what you think about you know, that type of ackee there. Let me know what you think about the videos that I presented in this video. Here's where I'm going to leave it. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.